welcome to this week's YouTube video. My name is Casey Poole and I'm the founder of the Supreme Stylist Academy. And what I want to do in these videos is share with you my knowledge on personal styling and fashion styling, so it can help you in your careers if you're already stylists, or if you are an aspiring stylist and you just want to get to know a little bit more about the industry so you can really succeed. So in today's video, I want to talk to you about how to use Canva in your business. Now, Canva in my own business and for loads of my students at my styling academy, Canva has been such an incredible discovery. So enjoy this video, guys. Hey guys, so what I want to do in today's tutorial is show you in as quick time as possible how to use this incredible graphic design tool called Canva. Now, this has been absolutely incredible in my career, and also it's been so useful for other stylists in my academy. It literally saves you so much money on hiring graphic designers, and it also saves you heaps of time as well, because you don't need to wait for things to come back from graphic designers. You can just do it all yourself. So if you decide, you know what, I want to create my logo today, you can go and create your logo very quickly using this tool. If you think, right, I need to go and do a YouTube thumbnail, go and create that quickly yourself. You want to create an ebook, do it yourself. It's just been absolutely amazing. So what I want to do is show you first how to do a logo, because this is the first place you're going to want to start as a stylist. So let's scroll and find logo. So here you go. You're going to click on these things, and then within these different like materials that you can do within the different sections, some of them are going to be free and some of them are going to be paid for. But again, if you're paying for them, they are very low cost. I think they're like $1, but most of the stuff that I've used has actually been free. So we'll click on logo, and here you're going to be able to create your own logo. Now look along here, you'll see some are free, and then the ones that you pay for will have a little $sign next to them. I can't actually even find any, which is amazing because loads of them are free. So let's have a look, and we're going to do one. So let's try and create one for Supreme Stylist for my academy. So you go through and you have a look, and anything you like, you can change everything on it. So you can change all the colors on it, you can change the fonts on it. I like the look of that one. So let's take that color, so you can change everything. So you click on the color, and then here you're going to get the little color chart come up, and then let's change that to a bright pink. Let's say my branding was a very bright pink, like a fuchsia, and let's change this to, see if they have a grey. I'd quite like a grey, so then you change that to a grey. And if there's a specific Pantone that you're using, then what you do is you click here, and then you can just type in your own Pantone right there. So, and then what you can do is you can save it, and then you can use it across all your different graphic design, all your different graphic designs. So you're using the same colours. So let's change that to Supreme Stylist. There you go, Supreme Stylist Academy. And then what you do, if you want to change the size, you just hover over that, highlight that, and then here is the sizing up here. Here is the font, here's the sizing. So let's change that sizing to an 18. And then what I want to do is I want to change the font. So you just click there and you scroll down and you find the font you like. Now I really like a font that begins with a P. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I know that I like to use that one quite a lot for different things. So you just click on there, and then that's going to change that there. I don't really like it for the logo, but let's just keep that there for now. So let's say that we want to change the background. You click background along here, okay, and then you can choose a different background. So let's say that we like the look of, see, we like that. There you go. And then we want to change the colour of that. Then you click up here again and you just choose a different colour. So let's say that we want like a lighter, let's say we want like a lilac-y colour. So you just go there and you literally just hover over this. So what I want to show you how to do now is how to create an ebook. So we'll go to this ebook icon and we are going to create an ebook. Now you'll see lots of different designs here. There are loads and loads and loads of different designs, and as I said before, some of them will be paid for and some of them will be free. So let's grab that one there,
and we will, well, oh, actually, before I do that, let's click on that. When you click on it, you get to see all the different pages, but this one doesn't have different pages. It just seems to have one. But if we click on that one, for example, this has got lots of different pages. So maybe we'll click on another one like that. Let's click on that one actually, because that looks a little bit more interesting. So you pull that across there. If you want to change it, you just pull different ones across. So we'll do this and we'll call it a summer style guide. And then what you want to do is, for the summer style guide, you can upload your own image. So you click here on uploads and you can then upload your own image. So I actually don't have an image here. Let's just pop an image here of myself. You can just pull that up and down. You can make the image bigger or smaller by going like that. And then you can put a different background colour in. So let's say that we wanted to change that to a lighter pink, like that. Or let's say that we wanted this whole picture to take up the whole of the back. So you can also do this, and what it's going to do is put the picture in there. So then you could move that down like that. And let's make that box smaller as well. Then what you can do, if you wanted to make it more or less transparent, now we've clicked on it and this bit's all highlighted, you click this little icon here, and this you can make more visible or less. It is depending on what effect you want. So let's say that you now want to add another page. So we want to add a new page here. And then what we want to go to is the layouts again. And we were on this one here. So let's say that we now want to do the contents page. So you click on here, let's change that colour to the fuchsia so it all matches up. And then you'd put in your different contents. And then say you wanted to add another page and you don't like any of the designs here, you just add in, or okay, let's say that we wanted to start writing some text, but we also wanted some pictures in there. So what we'd do is we'd add a new page there, we'd drag this one over, and say that we wanted some text. So you can write some text and then you want to upload an image. Now what you can do is you can actually search Canva, you can save your images, which is what I showed you earlier when I uploaded the image myself for the top, or you can search Canva for images. So let's say we want a summer floral dress. So we'd search for summer floral dress, and then lots of different pictures are going to come up, lots of different images you'll see, and these you can pay for, or as I said before, you can just type them into Google and they'll come up, or you can use your own images of yourself that are saved onto your computer. So let's say for now, if we wanted to use this image here, if we did decide that we wanted to pay, what would happen is there's a little watermark on it now, and then when you go through to save it, you'll then have to pay for it, and this one is $1, and then they'll remove the watermark. So let's say that you wanted this here, you wanted that one there, and then you wanted another one. So let's say that we wanted a summer floral dress, and then we also wanted some nice sunglasses to go in our guide. You type that in there, and then you're going to get lots of different images come up here. So sunglasses, oh, this one's free, so let's bring that one across there. And then you just lay them out how you want it. So let's say that we wanted to break up the page a little bit and make it look a bit more exciting. Let's go across to elements, and let's take this one here and let's bring that there. Then let's make that a same colour as this beginning. Let's make this bit smaller here. Let's pull that there. There's literally so much you can do. And let's make that a little bit bigger. Sorry, not that. Let's make that a little bit bigger. So we'll pull that down there. Yeah, let's do that. It just breaks up the page and makes it look a little bit more pretty. So what I want to show you now is how to do a Facebook ad. So we'll choose one from here. Let's go for Casey Kicks. It would be rude not to, seeing as it's my name. So we're going to change that to Summer Style Guide. And then what we will do, we'll move that extra text later, is we're going to bring in an image of myself or whatever image that you wanted to use. So I'll just show you here. We're bringing that image there. And then you can also filter it. So if you didn't like the lighting, you can just change your filter on your image. And then what we will do is we will change that text color in a moment. And then I want to show you something else. So what you can do that is really cool is you can add frames. So let's add a frame and then we'll do an image of a guide. So let's add in that there. We'll add in that one there. This is so cool. So you add in that there. So this is going to be your summer style guide. Actually, not that one. Let's do an image of that because that's going to be your guide. And then in there, you're going to upload an image of your guide. So let's just take that because that's going to be a swimwear guide. And how incredible would that look if you could put your little guide inside there, free summer style guide, you'd get rid of all that text and then you'd change the colors or however you want it to look. And you would have your own Facebook ad without having to go to a graphic designer.
Now I hope you found that useful, guys, and hopefully now you've got loads of ideas that you can go and use on Canva, and you can start being really creative without needing a graphic designer. I used to have to get a graphic designer to do all my ebooks for me. Now I just do it all myself and it makes life so much easier. Like, I am my own graphic designer and it just helps so much. So guys, if you liked this video and you want to see more tutorials, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you next week with another tutorial. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.